Hey, what time it is? Let's look at the watch. It's time to make money. You don't have to go out and work because you can do this strategy from the comfort of your home. Let me ask you this. Do you like reading? I like reading, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually make money with reading and get an extra income from the comfort of your home. You can earn up to $1,000, and I don't blame you if you don't trust me. But if you keep watching this video until the end, I will show you what you have to do, where you have to go, and how you can benefit from this new strategy. If you watch any other of my videos, you know I have never let anyone down. Because if you follow the steps and the process, it will work 100%. It will all depend on the time and dedication that you put towards the strategies, but all the strategies that share on the channel will work, and you could benefit from them if you get early enough. And this is what I'm sharing with you today. And as always, this method is available and free to use. You don't need any previous experience, so make sure that you don't skip any step of the video and you don't miss out in any single step, because otherwise you won't be able to accomplish the goal. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and make some money online. But before that, please give me a massive like, because that will really help to be able to show you the latest strategies to make money online from the comfort of your home. And as well, subscribe because it's free, and activate the notifications, because that way you can be one of the first to get advantage for these opportunities. So without any more delay, let's jump into the computer so we can start with today's strategy. So the first website that I would like you to come to is called lightgpt.com. That's lightgpt.com. And if you come to this website, you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to make money in different ways. And as you can see here, there are different benefits. You can come check it out. The minimum payout is $0.5 dollars, which means you can cash out very quickly, and you're gonna get paid in different ways. You can get paid then by watching video ads, or you can get paid by doing short links, offer walls, or faucet. So what I will advise you to come is come over here, and then you're gonna see all the proof that they have been able to help a lot of people. You can see here is more than 34,000 people that have been benefit from this website. Okay, and as you can see here, the different payment proofs show. And as well, I want to show you, if you go to this review website, you're gonna see the review about this website, and as you can see, it's very high review. You know, it's 4.4. so I will definitely advise you to come check it out and then see how you could benefit from it. So you know, it's very important that you have a look at the reviews, but you can see here is over 4.4 reviews, which means overall is excellent. So that's actually very good, with a total review amount of over 2,000 people. So when you come to the website, as you scroll down, you're going to be able to see the different payment proofs. As you can see here, that's the different payment proofs. If you click on it, you're gonna be able to see all the different countries and how much people are getting paid, which is actually very good. So all these earnings, you know, some people might have been able to accumulate it in days, other people in weeks, and other people in months. But the most important thing is, if you put the work and you're consistent with it, then you are going to get paid as well. Okay, so as I said, you will come to LightGP, and then it's as simple as, you know, you will just register an account with them, and then, you know, if you keep going down, you're gonna see as well all the payment processors they have. And then the only thing you need to do is you just need to register. Once that you are registered, you're gonna put all the information over here, and then you will receive an email confirmation. Then you need to confirm your email address, and then you can start getting paid. Okay, so as I said, this is actually a great way to make money on the side. You won't be making thousands of dollars, but then if you combine it with the next website that I'm gonna show you, everything adds up, and that's something that you could earn as a side income, from the comfort of your own house. You just need a computer and an internet connection. So the next website I want to show you is called faucetpay.io. So this website, you are going to sign up here because this is where you're going to get paid. So from LightGPT, they're gonna send you the money to Faucet Pay because you're gonna be able to receive cryptocurrency, and then you will need to register your wallet. But additionally, once that you register with Faucet Pay, which is actually the same procedure, you just need to come to the dashboard. And then you can see on your dashboard as well, it gives you the opportunity to earn, so you can come here, check it out and explore it. There are different options. You can either pay for offer walls, surveys, pay to click, or pay staking. So I will advise you to come check it out and see which one works best for you. Okay, so this is the second website. You just need to come here and then you will be able to get paid. And additionally, if you become an affiliate for them, you are going to be able to make money from for other people's investments and actions on this website. Okay, so additionally, I want to show you more websites where you can get money and get paid by watching videos or doing different tasks online. So I want you to come to a website which is called Bucks Inside. In this website, you can see you get paid every 10 seconds, okay, and it will be just for browsing advertisers websites, and you will be able to cash out instantly. So again, I will advise you to come, register with this account with all of them, and then you can start getting paid, little bit from each of them. Obviously, the more time you spend on it, the higher the possibilities of you making money. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you, these are the payment proofs for Bucks Inside, and you can see here, this is the amount of money that people have got so far. So for example, this person from Canada, they got $2,200, which is actually great. So obviously, it will depend on the type of membership that you have and the type of rewards that you can see, but this is actually paying $37, $300, $73, $67. So as you can see, the list goes on and on. So other people are benefiting from this, and this is why I wanted to show you this website, so you can get paid and rewarded as well. So you can actually take advantage and be another person who will get paid by it. Okay, and another website which I would like to show you today is called coinpayu.com. So once that you come to coinpayu.com, as you see, it's gonna tell you that you're gonna be able to earn crypto by viewing different advertisements. So you can scroll down, and then you will be able to see how it works. You just click here on how it works, and they're gonna explain you exactly. So you just need to connect your project to a large audience of crypto users immediately, and then you'll be able to advertise. And this is how it works. You'll be, the users are interacting in one way, the advertisers are on the other end of the spectrum, and then the application is CoinPayu, which is in between. And because you have signed up with them, here is where you're getting paid. You're getting paid a proportion of the ad revenue. Okay, here it gives you different options or why choose them. So you can see here is high quality traffic, affordable price, and geographic targeting. And as well, it's very easy to manage. Okay, so it's very simple to come register here, and you will be able to see results if you put the work. So if you put the work and you are consistent with it, then you will be able to benefit from it. So you can see how you can do it. You can see here different videos on how to do it, and then it's as simple as following the process of signing up. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. These are the websites that I wanted to show you where you can actually earn money from each of them, and I've shown you reviews that these websites actually are legit. And then I just wanted to go check them out, this is no financial advice by any means. This is just research information that I've done, and from trusted sources. I want to bring you this information so you can be one of the first ones to take advantage of this opportunity and start getting paid as well. So few websites for you to take into consideration. You just need to sign up, and then you will start getting paid straight away for doing small task. So this won't be life-changing money. You won't become a millionaire out of this, but if you do it consistently, as I told you, there are other people that are making the money. There are people that are actually getting paid thousands of dollars. You can see this person here, $2,000, $300. So it will just depend on how much time you invest on it, and you can see this is depending, and some people just go paid, and then you can see the different proofs on the pages. So as I say, it won't make you rich, but it will add up, so you can combine this strategy with different websites, and this is something that if you are consistent with it, you can see profits and benefits from it. But if you want to find out alternative way where you can even make much more money, I have left a link into the description. The only thing you need to do is just go into a link, then you will need to register and just watch the video introduction, which will explain you step by step what you have to do. This is a course that I've done myself, and I've been able to make thousands of dollars, and this is why I share it with you. So all these strategies that I share on the channel with you are the strategies to help you break from the 9 to 5 and achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. So this is all for today's strategy. I will bring you more exciting content on the coming days, so I hope that you stay tuned, and make sure that if you like this type of videos, please give me a massive like, because that's all you can do to support the channel, and it will really help me to be able to create this type of content that bring you the latest strategy on digital marketing, so you can make money online today. So this is all for today. I hope you have a great day and a great week ahead, and I will see you very, very soon. So take care now, guys.